Hey, what's up guys? My name is Tanmay and I'm back with another video for our channel Simple Snippets. So in the previous video, we converted binary numbers to octal numbers. Now this is the reverse process wherein we convert an octal number back to binary number. Now just like the previous video, even this conversion is pretty simple. But for that, you need to understand the table of conversion. So let's see what we are going to learn in this tutorial. As you can see on the screen, we are going to be solving three different types of problems. The first one is a plain octal number, that is an integer octal number. The second one is a fractional octal number, and the third one is a combination of both. Now all of these values need to be converted to binary equivalents. For that, we need to first understand the conversion table. Now as you can see the conversion table, each of the binary value is represented with its equivalent octal value, and vice versa. We know that the base or radix value of octal number system is 8. So we have 8 distinct symbols starting from 0 through 7 and its equivalent binary numbers. So 7 is represented as 111. Now if you convert it back using positional weights by applying the 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to 2 to each of these numbers, that is 111, and when we add up those numbers, we get the total as 7. So that's how we convert these values. So now that you understand this conversion, let's solve a problem. Now in the first question, we have a plain octal number, that is plain integer octal number, which needs to be converted to a binary equivalent. So the conversion process is pretty simple. First write down the octal number leaving spaces between. So I write down the octal number like this: 1, 2, 5. Now we have to convert each digit to its binary equivalent. So that is the reason why I showed you the table. So 5 in binary is equal to 101. 2 in binary is 010 and 1 in binary is 001. Now how do I get these values? So if you want, you can cross check by applying the positional weights. This is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to 2. Now if you calculate or take the sum of multiplication of these two values, we get 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0, which will give you answer 5. Similarly, these two are equivalent. So if you calculate by applying positional weights, you're going to get back these numbers only. So now that you've calculated each of the binary equivalent for single digits, we just need to club it to get the final answer. So that's it. This and this together, when we club it, we get the final answer. That is 125 octal is equal to this part, that is 001, this part 010 and this part 101 in binary. So let's take a look at question number 2. Now question number 2 consists of a fractional octal number which needs to be converted to a binary equivalent. But the conversion here is pretty much similar to what we did in the question number 1. So we first write down the number leaving some spaces. Now since we are only interested in this fractional part, we'll convert its individual digits to the binary equivalent. So 4 is represented as 100 and 5 is represented as 101. You can verify this by applying positional weights. Now we have calculated the binary equivalent of individual digits. To get the final answer, we just need to club this plus this together. That means 0.45 in octal is equal to 0. This part, that is 100, and this part 101 in binary. So let's see the question number 3, which is the combination of the question number 1 and question number 2. In this question, we have an integer part as well as we have a binary part. So let's first write down the question, leaving some spaces in between. We have a decimal point and then 35. Now as we did in the question number 1 and 2, we first calculate its binary equivalent of these individual digits. So 5 is represented as 101, 6 is represented as 110, 3 is represented as 011 and 5 again is represented as 101. So now that we've calculated individual digit equivalents in binary, we just need to club it to get the final answer. That is 56 0.35 in octal is equal to 101, 110, 011 and 101 in binary. That's it for this tutorial. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel so that you get notified when we upload new videos. Peace.